Wa finito. Don't worry, the table will break. I am ready for it. 100% ready. In fact, let me open my Hennessy. Because you see this table is gonna break today. I'm gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it like there's no tomorrow. Shake it, man. Shake it, girl. Shake it. You see, shake table. Yeah, you shaking him for them. You shake fien to your uro fien. Unami kon 5-6 months before I bought my mansion. I saw you in the same hotel I was lodging. You came here and you slept with 3 different men. So what are you trying to say? If you get me so angry, I'm gonna post your pictures. The war police, and I am ready not to take nonsense this 2020. If you say you're married, keep your ass one place. Copy telephone me take it. You for a ben forget ne. Am I wrong on to get Monty so they come and say you're a claim you married woman. That more couples who hustle the free day hustle came me see or call or something give them look at them for them. Don't get there for get them look at them I'm back and do the bag song. Say the tongue go ye me at the married woman. Married woman drop. I know a lot of married women in New York that sleeps around and I nante what. Mbo for your information, you see woman ibani the woman more you don't be more you know more go to the young sao mu ni ga se tang no fai ko se tang na mi kon bo if you're tired you can be mfu kama so obong bo my husband I work e chite be me nam tem for me see them fe da so for no ba mo be ne da no friend me politicians me ku yo tang no friend fem ye ku embarrassing free ni so tang ikoina free ni tang ikoina nso to selfish banker ke fodo e mai tan ko boke fo menyi munyem afusu ko boke fo menyi munyem governor udo mi manu afuko boke fo menyi munyem aburo pa bi oke sinyi munyem tom. You think it would have been easy for him to bring you on board? And I don't even blame anybody. Nanga go sleep beke na no aya ukara mi no eteka onye no manu mana even if do manu mana mi ko yin ifo for ni bo I remember when Gossi was a governor. I was about coming to Akwa Ibom one day. K flight. I was pumping sand for but I did not have anywhere to supply. Edinam supply. And notes to Julius Beja. I don't know them. Secretary of the federal of the Akwa Ibom state. I don't know them. But after that same night, I would include me bamo mukemba kenka mbagufo. Kanadi nka umana, mesiri umana, KMD Julius Beja moro bagufo. But that's the same man that said Kimoidi onke. These politicians are we mawo. Politicians mufonko e wamawo. I won't want to baby bomb for kini mfana. Solve it for them without sex. Solve it for them without sex. Politicians in the army, mufonko, enako, itieke. I want to find out the bomb for infana. You cannot help. You cannot help. Yebo, Canadian good. I forgot Benosun now night. It's down the summer up and down. It down the summer up and down. A politician at be young, I want to need him fana at him bogi me kong no. Idakba sex ekesido optional. I bring on my phone. Ida medina again tarako. And you forget that HIV is Akwa Ibom said the highest number of HIV. And you people are sleeping even without condom. An hour without condom. I did people DNA test. Akwa Ibom 80% of Nitowo ke ufondo ido maybe money. I can bet you. So Akwa Ibom government tell me akapa no udum. Udum me ediere mi asanga yembono Lagos somodi. Mbono Lagos minko instead of more edi kapa kok edi iyong di organize run government because bono yeke kapa government tell me no I want to take the on Bobanga, nice wrong government, Adion Parawa, Adion Ibad, Adion Mewo, Akbagasonam, across seculate. I am Baba to Lagos, sorry. Printer at Lagos, sorry. Typewriter at Lagos, sorry. Even when I Nelson K government me, I could seculate kiss some more. Because of it, a governor, William. Governor, I am using this medium. Eru peye fien. Release a cook state. I call me kito to the crow. Gos le pabi ben fene di san kiti e koromio. Amaria kok dianga no wom fen yadia. Kudia ikbong. Dianga no mbone na mutom yefo. Code indigenous contractors no mutom yawa. Open up bank. Open up microfinance banks. Ado for Akwa people. Ya ika ikebo cook de yamudwa. I will say business and ye merinam. Abo ko kakena. So that mkwaina mietre. Without that, make mkwaina. Eya na edi some family mfo. Eya na tutu. Mbone kotomi enamante holy adandao. I know a married woman. Any number, phone number, or keyword. It's a nigga phone. My way, I'm my American. No, the place, venue, and all that. I came it. Iban, single girls, a came one a walk on for Yedoko. A point in our I wouldn't know nothing. Sometimes he pick a call for her. I for man, I can next person for your medina. It is wrong. I don't blame you guys. Even if a penna boy call me ma, I need 200,000. Kake tongo business at 200,000. Then siong idem pong posik punu kan fien. Siong idem pong posik punu kan fien. Agbeka na wo yari it. Even a man ye kong me. I have friends that are richer than me. Ponsan neyen. Njokoke se minye. Iban, yoko se mufenye. Yoko se mufenye. Both married and single. Ekido make it now when you miss a phone. I for you make it a phone. I am okay because I won't you miss a phone. Don't for you make it. Etendo yemeba, I for you make it don't do wo. Can't kiss it. So what I'm saying is Mbok governor. Kuma no ka kuboki anyway afubage party me so imbe came in. Kuka kuboki me keeping a we media on okay me woki song. Urube no do no governor. Yeme wosi baki song. I will see my kiddo governor, but both PDP and APC, mu forget me tell coming no. Is your candidate ado baki song so that mbiongo me tre. Without a your candidate, young okay mewo boys and girls kisong. Nkapa nse nompo ya idea. Eya na awo tutu. Even se kesam kesam sekus. Competition o warabogo. Ntoki ban. Competition a warabogo. Agbeka na awo yemukan afotan ikorian. Inso very give woro. Mbo business is namdie. Ntuto me for the okay men came into a businesswoman. Agbesa oh bless him bok. Nge me di tongo business. Mbe na namdie ntongo business. Mbe na nam songpo mbe nam aminyu rokofin. Rather amankat ankoko anam tum akogibok anam tum. Ibo of kem ben mineka. Awo maukan ke yime wom fen kan. So ekpong edi isene yen kem kwowo ndi oge na mimbita tankara miu. Namse kan ami mi man sendi aferi take yak ice. Uru afara ko nge senka ka nkere mfi. Ndi kpo mfi nsam ke fere mindia because as at that time that is what I could afford. Okay, somebody saying I should tell Akpabio to come and carry his udom. I don't say no Akpabio because okay, ayeke abene mframi edi. Ayeke Akpabio mieke ben mframi edi. Etu for mikedo, but anta akbani kono ye. But ye ma kop si elder seketang ebo ke we si benne wo wansion. Always through for us for say for fun. Si owo among this thing. Ayeke kopo. But aditape. Angoritape. Udom si okong no me wokido okong etem fokiro. I'm not insulting you, but I'm just telling you. Ya for sure, I call no me wokido or call a tem for kiddo. I don't call Quibum State. I found you name I mean, I mean, I did I mean, Kaden near Coro. See you cook once forget that you can empower for them to do business. See you go some. You know very well to take company. Tomatoes is a for me control of an borrow. Who's your cousin? Look at the car nagaba. Me we bo for. Hama sake from Fando me can taniko. Hama Fusu get two from Fubo that acquire Celestia de make okay me we the ampo. Uzuk physical Nico Itang in oye. Or eba seed mufu inwa yang vimi kan niko itang e te karo senator I forget aso akeba kebang ako iki siba kebang afuku sudia ako kebang ntina mu kanuro kuro mi manuel ubo that ke ana yesi okoro on the top boys and girls doko ye a lot of ladies any ubo to me na antena but there is no money, there is no capital. So if Ndribanami, okay, before you may open a place, baby bam, na come phone. Or may you may open 9 number, or may you to business for me open. One, Iban, both men and female. Mpo PM, 50,000. It is not good. I will get a casene PA1, PA to the PA. It's not good. Rent and my landlord Sominko rent in their shop and order high. So you have to sit down. His Excellency the Governor, look for a team. A plan. Now we take this hunger out of Akwa Ibom State. Yeah, beyond me, a work at Akwa Ibom State. Me, dogo, I'm in support K. Even both PDP and APC, the party, even APC, they are not doing well too. Don't keep our election. Have the party elders call anybody for a meeting? His Excellency, I want us to take him from Mero. He got to one take it. Ibo blessing. Ebinam the Zoke Binam. After Fenbon, who said man be tongue on fry APC, Who said man be tongue on fry? CN and Epic Carignan. I came for APC leaders, young Dodo Buyoka and Semufo. Dodo Buyoka, man be tongue on fry mufo, Again, I am millions, Minkan Kebia, election make it already. Man be tongue on fry mufo, you won't be done to. A kick up Easter at the Emmy, it make a rice. Christmas, Aboyo, it make a rice. You go to anybody, even after tribunal, you go to anybody meeting. May all the you go to anybody, time you know. I came for who said sorry. Who say a man on the Pecky Wood? A reading me APC leaders. Nyari mremufu. Ini mufike meka. So what I'm saying is that, I am so proud of my restaurant. I not send anybody. I can tell you anything to your face. Me outside I said Morocco University didn't support both PDP and APC. But I will tell you I will tell you to your face. I mean I'm wrong. I will tell you to your face. I will tell you, I think my politicians are me local government chairman me. I have your names. And when me ban a point rido, ibane my name fra, mufeka mi ban away na. Etang no yemi na I won't yemi I am warning you people. I am warning you people. Local government chairman, State House of Assembly, you mustn't sleep with people with married women before Mufeno. You mustn't. Agbekere wo say yeme ediwam wamawo. Even Ibanami, I'm so proud of the fact that can make Nolan awarding moto. Why don't you carry your energy? I guess I'm Nolan. Asemke the other one ekoko that Nolan and one other one would they made a coro. You should go and join Nolan got 50-something thousand. I forgot no. Bene cook no boy no iban. Ya ike join Nolan. A market. Eh? Great empowerment. Long Reach, my sister, God bless you. Let them go and join Long Reach. Mbonsi Kanina network marketing modoba. See a lot of our young girls. They are driving good cars because of Long Reach ye Nolan. Ekene ke join. Married women ekene ke join Nolan. Ekpo women e concern for NAM competition. All those networking in Amado, they are it is helping. Mbona yunge Kanina network marketing eka ekenam. Utoke mi family man menege sin kananam. Mbok. Yemusung stop this problem. Mbok. Yemusung solve this problem. After this live video, I don't care. I won't even reply you. I don't have energy. My food business is taking me over everywhere. So why I had to come out to do this video though, because a lot of calls me when code what is going on in your state. That's why I had to come out to do this video. And what is this girl's name? Arab Money Princess. Please, can you just stop this? Please stop it. I heard you say you want to bring out lists and all these things. I heard one guy coming out to say, I'm not in support that if married women should sleep around. I am not. But what I'm saying is that could you call some fana fondo unam ya fondo woni mfana? Because all the young girls take beef case some married women. Eyadi woedi mfana eyadi bo eyadi siak mori mi kapina na wo eyadi siak. So I just want to beg Mbok Sikido do mfana me married woman aye make tan ko yefo. The way you did not like, please forgive them. I am doing this live broadcast to actually beg.
Well, blessing on some, or whatever you call yourself. Naturally, I don't have any business with whatever you're doing. I don't even know you in person. No, so I get Facebook. No, get election. I get time can probably be House of Assembly time. The House of Assembly time. It's actually a pity. Okay, we all want the the moral. I mean, the gods. I mean, the temerity. Anye sak. Song sak. Ako do man lonyam. Mbeke body or no. But it doesn't even because the young can have me fucking me already. So it doesn't aggravate, you know. In some way, Begodo Emmanuel, governor of Akwa Ibom State. Yeah, it says quite time. It ain't come everywhere. And I went na ibana won. See Begodo. How does that concern Udom? For your information, if you don't know, Udo Emmanuel is one of the highly moral, respected human beings in this life. And until I knew that man, my respect for him has increased. Since I knew him. Maybe you don't know who Udo Emmanuel is. Ben Abambame. Akodo unyam. I will go to Banavante. Akpabio. Akpabio gave me the money. I don't know about the Akpabio. I see a gok. That's fun. That's everywhere. I knew what of them is who told you them doesn't give? Who told you that? I need to go on so nonsense. I need some of them man. Are you stupid or something? What is wrong with you? It's all of them man for what? Oh, because he refused to do the biddings of Akpabio. Of course, the young man covered Akpabio up. He covered him up. By today, Akpabio would have been in jail. If in case you don't know. But not for Emmanuel, an astute banker. Abudomo Achakoka is waste money. My dear sister, go and check. If you are not aware, go and find out what Udom has done. Udom has done so much in Akwa Ibom. It may not be those people that throw away money. Have you checked what Udom Emmanuel has done? Have you checked the level of empowerment Udom Emmanuel has done? Have you found out? It is not, it is not about doing a showman giving. More now, we'll go for everybody. Hey, go and check. I made this, go and check. I don't want to talk about this. I made this one this. I made this one a man. All of them were boys. I made them men. Because there was money in Akwa Ibom. That was why you could afford to waste all the monies you wasted in Akwa Ibom. The underground pipe jacking system, is it working? How many billions were soaked there? Uyiko Egbene Road, how many billions were soaked there? Do you want me to mention them? What did he actually do? Abado used those monies to enrich his pocket and gave just little to the people he's calling men. It comes, you, bless your son. You know about them for what are you doing? Oh, because you are pretending as if you are selling, you have a restaurant. You are pretending as if you have a restaurant. You think we don't know what you do? Eh? Lagos. Relocate to Abuja. Are you married? Blessing or some, I'm asking you. Have you seen a husband to marry? Are you mad or something? People that want to be promiscuous. What is the relationship with them and them? Are they the only people that are hungry? Are you not aware that when Udom took over power in 2015, that was the beginning of recession in Nigeria? Are you not aware how Udom was able to manage the economy of this state? To come out with what he has come out with? There was a governor in this state that promised 31 industries by local governments. And that money was approved for him by the National Assembly. Where is the money? Where industry? Where the industries? And as a man, you are pressing and abusing Udom Emmanuel? No, sir. No, I won't take that one. Don't call me now. That's the man you're abusing. Abusing Udom for what? Is Udom your mate? Don't you have respect? You cannot Udom. Is Udom your mate? Are you equal to Udom? Can you compare yourself to Udom Emmanuel? Can you compare? Can everything you have done in your life, your whole achievement, your family, your generation, can you compare what Udom Emmanuel has achieved in this life? It's on Facebook. Are you mad or something? Is something wrong with you? Go and find something. Come find someone and marry. Don't bring your frustration on an innocent man that knows nothing about what you guys are doing. Who promised? God, who promised? As Assemblyman Isambo. And said that I'm not going to win the word. Don't allow me to talk. Don't allow me to talk. Kuya, okay now. Hey, bless your son. Don't allow me to talk. I have a dossier complete, full. Nene dossier for complete. From the Suguna during your campaign. Nene dossier for complete. From the Suguna with their names, venue. Don't insult Udom Emmanuel again. Don't try it. Don't even try it. You can't compare with them to any you can't compare with them. Do you know what that man has done? Do you know people he's empowering? Some people don't the people are living their loose life. What is Udom's concern there? Come. Are people telling you that? Those are people who don't want to give. They simply bring up an excuse. Go, Iba. Who told you as a banker Udom is not giving money? Who told you Udom is not empowering people? Because it doesn't make noise about it. Before Pabi owe 1 million, and he make 10 million from that person. For every 1 million your God and President Savior brought out, he made 100 million from it. You think we don't know these things? The records are there. Don't try it. That is your business. Don't even try it. Don't dare it again. Don't dare it again. I'll publish you and publish with dates, names, locations. Publish your activities during the campaign of don't try me. Don't do it again next time. Something's wrong with you. You are not. Can't you look, my friend? Bless your song. Hold yourself together. Come out, try and get some other. Eh? Contractors who think me is that what they're telling you? Contractors who think me are they telling you they're not paid? Are you not aware of the reality of the time we are in? Is it only Akwa Ibom? The area you're talking about, the Babel's era, the Ebo get location if no, I got 40 billion. Ebo location if no that month, it was 40 billion. Sometimes 50 billion. Ebo location if no. Are you not aware that there are times in this state that Akwa Ibom receive less than 7 billion? Are you not aware? That man is trying everything to make sure that he keeps Akwa Ibom at the top. He makes Akwa Ibom a destination. Most of the white elephant projects that were commissioned in this state were not even done. Money swindled, gotten, shared into people's pockets. That's why he threats and ran to APC because I don't want to be arrested and detained with the EFCC. Don't make me to talk. Don't try it. Anybody that's moral should hold himself. If you cannot hold yourself, look, I don't want to talk. Nobody should force me to talk again. You guys should hold yourself to order. A dang bomb before. Don't remove them out of it. Don't try it. Oh, anybody can rise up now because call them names. Call him any name because Akwa Ibom is peaceful. Because you have freedom of speech. Anybody can stand up and talk anything about them. Can you do it in Akwa Ibom? Can you try it? Can you do it? You guys should hold yourself to order. Come on, I'm dismayed about blessing and some. I'm warning you, that's a warning. If you're not married, go and look for someone and marry. But that's to go and buy a husband and marry. What were you doing in Lagos before that? Those places you call your restaurant. You were using restaurant as a hideout to your numerous activities. You think I don't know? Or some people don't know that you are using restaurant. Oh, I'm Nidia. What if to make them say yam? What if Nidia? No wonder you they win election. No, I may win. I can kill election. I win. No, what if? Yeah, una because that one go to beginning. Try it again. Una for you honestly for not getting bored. Don't make me go rob. I don't want to go vulgar. Respect yourself. Bless your son. Respect yourself. This is a warning to you. Do not ever in your life insult the governor of the state again. Do not try it. You don't have respect to your parents. You respect constitutional authorities. You're not supposed to insult the governor. Go and learn. This is a warning to you. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Hey, my solution. Now, person will never see blood before they call water blood. Over my dead body. I'm appointment by all means. Over our appointment. If you correct that, make I die. I'm appointment. I mean, this is all when you get quiet from state. I win on no quiet appointment. I get a kudum. I have been appointment. I forgot to PDP would sit to quiet. While I am alive, I mean, yeah, I have been appointment for the year one of it. To Fukpa. Go collect up. If you someone you give appointment, good luck. Don't worry. Good luck. Hey, good morning, everybody. My name is Dazion Omar. I say, okay, man, I will table shaking. I mean, getting on table shaking, get quiet of state. So, because of, I've created the ways and gave everybody the boldness to speak. Then people think that they can come out and talk anyhow on Facebook. There's hunger in Akwa Ibom State. And I see nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with the video of Blessing on Some. And my solution, I'm already song about union. Mbun to go to look about me. For this, I be a woo, be a cooked you, be woo, forget about me up and down. Now, we took you back because you admitted that you were wrong. Blessing on Some spoke on behalf of the people. Which is true. I expected the Akwa Ibomites to rise and insult Blessing on Some, not you. Emoto Akwa Ibom. Ema Ethiopia State. I want Vito Akwa Ibom. I want for to Cross River State. And of course, she's the former councillor. Ema one for Kado councillor on your ordinary. Recently gave vice chairman Uyo, sewing machine no. So that just to stop you, to stop you from begging here and there, up and down. Don't insult blessing or some. Don't go there. Usoma yamboko bunere, ebenesio, needed to make you. And I'm pastor, pastor. Ema go to be a steering also. Kunam Posuko Caro. Kemposuko Kamea wait because say you for wake up away me. I've made you all the capacity. I'm told them by me, I could use some Euro, who could buy me at 200, me at 500 within the next 24 hours. Don't talk about a Akwa Ibom matter. You are not from Akwa Ibom. Emmanuel Awola, you are not from Akwa Ibom. Uno, final warning. I'm still on block. I'll be back online on the 24th. Don't try it. You are not from Akwa Ibom.